Hi kids and parents, are you ready to bake together today? This is so simple. You can make homemade donuts using these biscuits that you get in the refrigerated section and your air fryer. You just need some melted butter and some cinnamon sugar and you have instant donuts in 10 minutes or less. Are you ready to get started? Let's bake together. So first what we're gonna do is open up our can of biscuits. The nice thing about these biscuits, it already has a lot of oil in it, but I'm just gonna press in here, and usually that opened, wow. And then just go ahead and take those out first. Now you need something that's like a circle cutter. And what I have is 3 ideas for you. So one is a cupcake core that you can use. One is a very mini circle cookie cutter, and this is actually an apple core. So let's try different ones and see which one works the best. All right, I'm gonna start with this one. This one I know is gonna be good. And you can save the middle parts for donut holes, which you'll make a little bit later. Okay, that worked pretty good. Let's try the cupcake core. Press it down. Then you press this way. That worked okay. I like that one too, made a little bit of a mark here. Let's try the apple core. That was the easiest one. So I'm gonna do the rest of them this way. I'm going to press it in, pull it up. Oh yeah, that's really easy. And now you do need an air fryer. And it's going to be set on 350 degrees of your air fryer. And these are going to go in for 3 minutes on one side, then turn it over and 3 minutes on the other side. Let me go show you. So I put them in the air fryer and now they're going to go in for 3 minutes at 350 degrees and then I'm going to turn them over. When they come out, you want to let them cool for 1 minute. Melt your butter, which is a half a stick of butter, and then 1/2 cup of sugar with 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, depending on how much cinnamon you like. And then we're going to brush these with butter and roll them in the cinnamon sugar. Yum! Now that they've cooled for about a minute, I'm going to take some butter and just spread them on. You want it on both sides, so that they can roll. And actually you want to even do a little bit on the sides. And then you're just going to roll them in the cinnamon sugar. Just like that. Okay. Just going to keep doing this till they're all done. Can you believe it? You can make these donuts in your air fryer in less than 10 minutes, and they are delicious. Wow, actually those are really good. They're actually better than I was expecting.